Whatever! Just do it normal, for the love of Pete.
Boom jams, everybody.
Welcome to Weekend Whatevers.
My name is Josh.
My name is Cole.
And this is Snowmageddon.
Oh,
Snowpocalypse.
Snowy.
Nobody's seen this amount of snow.
Snowvelation.
So currently, if you live in the greater Portland area of Oregon, you're supposed to be experiencing this massive, terrible snowstorm. You're not.
It's not that bad.
No, it's
You're
really
not
not.
that bad.
It's not. But you know where it is pretty bad? Up in the hills.
Yeah, we're currently around 600 feet
Yeah.
above sea level.
Uh-huh. And as you can tell, it's snowy.
It's pretty snowy. I'm going to say this before he gets a chance to. I did not come prepared for the snow.
So I have these nice leather things going on. Cole's got that.
I got Converse. Oh, but wait, Josh. But wait. I do have one glove.
You have one glove.
Well, that's the only one I could find. So this hand will be warm.
All right, so we're gonna like throw a snowball or something.
I'm gonna take this off
Yay.
because this wool and all the snow will stick.
Oh, smart. Your one glove that you don't use in the snow. You're dumb. You're dumb.
Hey Cole,
What's up?
we built a thing.
Yeah, we did. Look at it. Wow.
It's the base to my human snowman.
Oh.
I'm gonna be a snowman.
Okay.
You want me to be a snowman?
Yeah, be a
Do you want me
snowman.
to be a snowman?
Be a snowman, Josh. I'm
Okay,
so
I'm
proud
gonna
of
be a
you.
snowman. Yeah. Oh.
You okay?
Am I a snowman?
Yes.
Oh, my arm hurts.
Now you're a snowman. Look. Snow. Snowman. 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 It's so cold everywhere.
What did you expect to happen, man? That? Okay. Well,
You want to try?
sure.
My chunk is bigger than yours.
I've never heard that before. You're gonna fall down again?
A little bit.
Okay.
My turn. Ow!
You just roll your ankle.
A little bit.
Sorry. Do it. I'm a little disappointed. Most of it fell next to you.
Hooray!
Cole, what you doing?
I'm trying to make all the snow fall.
Okay.
Okay. Wow!
Hey, Cole!
What?
I'm gonna get you! I'm gonna get you! I'm gonna get you! I'm gonna get... I missed.
I didn't.
Hi.
Hey,
If you like this video, hit the like button.
if you love this video, hit the subscribe button.
And if you didn't,
Whatever!